Hi, welcome back. I'm in Kent, it's mid-August 1940, and I'll be honest, this one's going to be a hard one. In 3 days, this place has the worst day of the whole battle. Every person around me right now, none of them know that. These aren't names on a memorial yet. Right now, they're just tired boys in deck chairs, waiting for a phone to ring. I talked my way onto the station as a WABF, just to be here with them. So, that's today. Let's go. It's moments like this when you realise how much we take for granted. Letters from home are the only things that keep us going. Hitler wants to invade, but he can't sail an army across that water while the RAF can still bomb the boats. So first he has to wipe the RAF out of the sky. That's what these boys are. You lost?
You lost?
Not lost. Slightly lost. I'm Olivia.
Tea? Fair warning, it's horrible.
Wow, that is horrible.
Told you. So where'd you spring from? You're not ground crew?
I'm a reporter.
Sort of. Right. Want to see where we live?
Cozy.
That's the word everyone uses. Don't touch that one. It's got a name on it. Yours is... well, you haven't earned one yet.
And this is Bess. She belongs to the whole squadron. She hears the engines before any of us do. How long have you been here?
Since spring. Don't recommend it. I'm Jack, by the way. Jack, from Bradford. You'll never have heard of it.
He's 20. 6 months ago, he was weaving cloth in a mill. Now they've handed him a fighter.
One record. We all hate it. We'd riot if it ever broke.
We must keep our spirits high, you know. Every small effort helps the boys up there. We just have to keep doing our bit. This is the room the whole battle runs from. Every raid ends up as a marker on that table. Every radar station, every spotter, every phone on the island wired into this one room, the first air defence network on Earth.
Radar only sees out to sea, love. Once they cross the coast, it's blokes with binoculars and a telephone.
I keep looking at that table and thinking about the 18th. I know what those little markers turn into. There's the phone. Watch how fast this turns from a picnic into a war. 2 minutes. Asleep to airborne in 2 minutes. I couldn't tie my shoes that fast. And now we wait. This is the part nobody tells you about, the waiting on the ground.
8, 9, 10, 12.
12 went up, 12 came back. Today the sky gave them all back.
Nothing to it. I mostly followed the others and tried not to be sick.
They all came home today. And I already know that doesn't last. After stand down, they all pile into the village pub. Same as any lads after work. Except they're not.
How? I had a good hand.
You said that last time.
I did have a good hand.
You threw a 7 away to keep a pair.
That was tactical.
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 What are you writing?
Letter to my sister. Her wedding's the 24th. I've got leave for it.
The wedding's the 24th. He dies on the 18th. I just smiled and said, that's lovely.
You know what I'll do after? Go home. Dance at that wedding.
And get a dog.
A big daft one.
What kind of dog?
Big one. Something that takes up the whole hearth. Their fighters only get 10 minutes over London. Then it's turn for home, or swim. You look at everything like it's already gone. like you're remembering it.
He's closer to the truth than he knows. So I change the subject and buy him another drink. They're up again. This time I know the numbers. This time I can't just watch it.
Our engine's cut out in a dive. Theirs don't. A woman engineer fixed it. One little washer.
The Germans bombed the radar towers, then stopped. They never worked out what those towers actually did. Here they come back. But it's too quiet. I'm already counting, and I don't want to.
Seven, 10. That's it. That's all of them.
Two hooks empty now. This morning, those two were complaining about the tea. The tea. That's all it takes. A truck brings the new ones. They look about 17. They've got plenty of aeroplanes. They're running out of boys to fly them. It's late. Nobody's really sleeping. The record's still going. Quieter now.
Olivia.
I'm scared. I know.
This is London calling. All aircraft return to base immediately.
He fell asleep. Just fell asleep, like it's any other night. I'm glad he's asleep. It's 4 in the morning. It's the 18th. It starts today. Here it comes. The 18th. Jack, don't go up today.
It's my job. Why? This is a big one.
He didn't look back. You can't see much from down here. Just lines in the sky. Five. 7. Come on, come on. I know his number. It's not there. So what was that for? I couldn't stay on that airfield. I had to know it meant something. In September, the bombers turned away, onto London instead. London started burning so these airfields could live. This is what Jack's field bought. Every city that didn't get invaded. Every ordinary morning after. The 15th of September was the last big push. 2 days later, the invasion was called off, not cancelled. Are you Jack's mother? I am. I'm so sorry. He was 20. He wanted you to have this. He talked about the wedding right to the end. Today I followed one boy, but there were thousands of them, and every single one had a mother. It's hard not to get angry. Every war comes down to men far from the consequences making a decision, and it's still happening, even now. I picked this up in Egypt, last video. It means rebirth. I really hope Jack got that. I've cried a lot in this one. Sorry. I'll do something lighter soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.